Hi guys, we're on the way to
Tagaytay.
Hello. So we arrived and we're just trying to find our room. Ano sila? Containers sila. So one container for each room. If I get it right, I think that's the one. Welcome to our room. So they call this Casita Banig. And then yung opposite namin, Casita Damuhan. Few things that we've noticed. Wala talaga sila yung single use of plastic. Siguro, yung only thing na hindi reusable or wala sa container na refillable is of course the toothbrush.
Even water bottle.
It's a pretty decent space, no?
Yeah.
And you have your own bathroom or restroom. Maybe day.
So, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, they have Netflix, they have Wi-Fi, and you can order your food.
Room service.
Room service. Yeah. And they also provided us vouchers kasi surrounded pala tayo ng restaurants.
And mabango yung room, guys. Pagpasok mo, amoy bamboo.
Lysol.
Lysol.
Good morning. Grabe. Magto-12 na ata. Pagka-check-in namin kanina, literal na dozed off ako eh. Kasi wala pa akong tulog as in since yesterday. So, ngayon, we're heading out para maghanap ng kakainan. So, sana may makita pa kami. Well, it's Tagaytay and it's Saturday night. So, for sure meron kasi limited lang. We're in Dubai Flavors, located in Tagaytay na Cebu Highway. And they offer Middle Eastern cuisine, they have Syrian, meron din silang mga biryani. And I'm so excited to try it!
Hi. So, we're eating now. Ang in-order namin is chicken shawarma rice and beef shawarma na bread. Sa akin, chicken biryani. Hey! Nakakamiss nun. Amoy Dubai dito.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin.
Kain tayo.
Guys, ang sarap. Sarap ng na-try namin. Especially yung shawarma. Ang sarap eh. Let's katapat lang siya pala ng Starbucks Hiraya. So, pwede kayo mag-coffee after. Tapos hanggang 2 AM sila. And compliments to the chef. Di natin nakuha yung pangalan niya. Na. But he used to work as a chef for the Saudi Prince. So, could you imagine? Sarap. Sarap ng flavors.
So far, siya yung pinaka malapit sa flavor ng Middle East or Dubai, actually. Sarap niya. Sobrang sarap. Hindi masyado maanghang. Yung shawarma, sarap din, legit. Kung namimiss nyo yung shawarma na may fries sa loob, punta kayo dun. So nice. Approve, approve.
Okay, so we just arrived in Starbucks Hiraya. As I've said, katapat lang niya yung Dubai Flavors. So, magka-coffee lang kami and then we'll see you Later or tomorrow. I don't know.
Bye! Coffee lang kami, guys.
Guten Morgen, guten Morgen, guten Morgen, Sonne shine. Good morning. So, early check-out tayo today. Kasi we're planning to have breakfast. Then, pupunta kami sa friend namin. Shout out to you, Danny Boy. He invited us to his place. He lives nearby. So, diba? Also, wala rin naman kasing masyadong activities sa hotel. Though may mga cafe, may spa. Unfortunately, yung open pa nila is 2 p.m. which is like beyond checkout time. But anyway, we'll be showing you some of the cool artworks and paintings in this area. It's a pretty decent place to stay if you just want to explore Tagaytay, and it's cheap. Hindi pala namin na-mention, guys, but friendly din yung place. So, like, ano pang rason mo? Charet. Book na. Okay, bye na, lobat na to.